Hi everyone, where do you think this plow goes on and those discs? Well, I have a little surprise for you guys. I did buy a garden tractor and it's a nice little machine, nice plow. They turn, guys, freely. Let me turn it over here. There, and this is old, guys. I got myself an old vintage 1965 Sears tractor, and it's a Suburban 10, and usually it comes with 10 horsepower. It have 3-speed and a reverse. Transmission is working nice. There's a 3-point hitch in the back, manual one. Take this lever here and control your 3 points. Lower it and raise it. I don't have the mower deck because those tractors usually came with the mower deck, and you could buy a snowblower to put in the front, and I didn't see that much with a 3-point hitch, and it looks like it's not homemade. It's made by the company, guys, because it's all, the seat was changed. It's the original seat. There was a light. I still have it here, guys, but I don't have the and this is all casted, and there were lights in front. There was a grill. I don't have the grill there, and there's no light. There's a little grill on top. It comes with a little here, used to have a little ornament here on top, and the guy who got it swapped the motor. You did cut this, guys. I don't like it. I would like to keep it original, so this is easy to fix. Just put a little piece of metal here and weld it and do some body job there. One of my friends told me, he said, you have a body shop, and same thing here. Fix this here. Find those are easy to get at metal shop. So those mesh, I would change them all. I might put stainless. Same thing in the front here. I might go and search on the internet for the grill, the lights, and the tire in the front. Those are the original rims, but the wheels are not. Tire are not. This is the original wheel, and it have some weights on them. Those are 4-wheeler tires that the guy put on, and it have a good traction there. I might put a snowplow in front. I have a snowplow that I used to have on my other little tractor there, and hey guys, I really like my acquisition here. Nice vintage tractor, guys, and it's usually it came with the 10 horsepower, and it stopped here by pushing this here on the spark plug, and let's give it a try, guys. This is a Bridge & Stratton 16 horsepower, guys. Start with one brake. I'm going to pick up the board here. Stop it by shorting the spark. It's not good on the coil. I'll need to open the front of this here, guys, and find the better way to stop it. I don't like to short the coil like that, guys. It's hard on the coil. But nice little tractor. And motor is quite big. There's another pulley here. I could add an alternator on this, a good alternator, and I might try to find they used to call it generator, was making electricity and starting the tractor. There, it's missing all the controls, feeder, the choke. There was a light switch there and a switch to turn it on and off. And I saw some of those tractors on the internet. Pretty nice little machine. And the transmission on this, it's beefy, guys. The metal is beefy. It's more like it's more than a garden tractor. They were built to last. Hey, this is from 1965, guys. It's older than me, and it's still working because they swapped the motor there. I think they usually came with a Tecumseh engine on it. I need to do some more research on that. And the steering wheel is precise. There's no slack in it. Really nice. And the seat is quite cold. I might try to put a finish on it or leave it like this to keep it original. Might put a coat of paint on it. But I like the plow. I did try the plow, guys. I only paid $25 for this machine, guys. It's really a bargain. So tell me what you think. Put a thumbs up. Old 1965 Sears garden tractor, guys. That is so cool. This is a little nice project to restore. I'm going to use it to plow, but I might use it more for parades, or I might change the wheels here, put some tractor wheels, real tractor wheels, like the one I have on my tiller here. Those are like farm tractor wheels. I need to find myself some wheels to put on this. I think those wheels in the front would fit there, but those look nice this way. But I would like to get like real tractor wheels in the back, so I need to get the numbers on the tire and try to find something. But that is a nice little machine. The guy who sold it to me said it was an old Ford because of the blue and the white. But it's not a Ford, it's a Sears. Take a look at the front here. Search on the internet like I did for vintage tractor. And if you look at the front here, there's a grill here. Two lights. The way this is made, the front, I think it's in 1965. I need to find there's a plate here, but there's nothing too much written on it. It's all erased. I need to find somewhere on the tractor if there's a plate with a number or some identification on it. And I need to build myself some mud guard. try to keep it vintage. It's going to be hard. But tell me what you think, guys. Put a thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to subscribe, because this little project here, next summer I will try to work on it and try to find a smaller motor than this, because 16 horsepower is too big, guys. Way too big. When you put it on third, there's 3-speed here and a reverse, and there is, I forgot to say that, look at this, low range, high range, guys. Low range, high range. It's not clicking in because it's in, there's some, there you go. Yeah, now it's in the high range. And when you put it in high range on the third gear with that big motor there, you pop a wheelie like it's kind of scary. So I need to put some weight in the front plow and some weight in the back. I might fill those tires here with liquid ballast them. There are already some weights on the wheel. I'm thinking of putting more weights because it's needs some traction when you're pulling that plow, but it's pulling it like crazy, guys. There was nothing in the back. When you put it in low range and on the first gear there, the tractor is you could it's so slow. You can get out of the tractor and do something else before it gets to the other end of the garden. And but it's strong, really strong to pull this little plow there. And that wheel was surprised, guys. The wheel are not jammed. The guy who have it constantly put grease in the grease nut there, and I will sand it up, wash it up, paint it. This is a nice, and there is some adjustment here on those here. We did put grease on the butt, on the bolts. But really nice little tractor, guys. I'm surprised. My friend told me put this plow on your big tractor. No way. I'm keeping it on this one, and I'm gonna buy myself a plow for my other tractor. So oh, John from Louisiana, Caponic, I saw your tiller there. Nice tiller, but I really like what I found here. I wish I had a tiller, but this is going to be nice. And this is so small, guys, when you go in the garden, and you can turn around, and it's easy to maneuver. And wish it was a hydrostat, but it's a gear shift, but it's a really nice tractor to pull. Oh boy, can't wait to put a load of wood in the back with a trailer, guys. It's gonna be fun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up.